Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Happy New Year to everybody. Hopefully this is the first one of the new year and many more to come. Thank you guys for subscribing throughout the years. And we have a special Amazon Prime UGREEN VGA male to female video splitter cable, full HD, VGA-F, VGA male. Really cool, really easy to use. Took me a few minutes to set up. Just had to rearrange a few things. So definitely check them out. Link will be down below. I'm going to switch over. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, here we go again. We got the UGREEN VGA male to female video splitter cable. Really simple to use. I'll show you how to set it up. Got it back here. Kind of messy, like I said. I just gotta clean it up, and that's about it. So you got your two VGAs right there, UGREEN. So got that dual monitor set up right there, and I just plugged her into the VGA slot with my other HDMI cord, and then here's the monitors. I got my security cameras hooked up to them right now. Really cool. And then see, I can go, here's my mouse. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. We'll check right here. See my mouse right here? Now watch this. Gotta glide it. Gotta get it. There it is. See, it's over here now. Uh-oh, someone's creeping. But really easy to set up, guys. Really cool. UGREEN on Amazon. Link will be down below. And then you have to go to your settings. And you go to your system. Oops. Display. I got a really old Dell computer, so it worked on that one perfectly. Just make sure you got a VGA slot. 1 and 2. I could identify 1, 2, 2. And then you go down here where it says multiple. Click on that. You can show on only on 2. So these 2 will be going, not this one. But kind of like this setup a lot better. And like I said, all you gotta do is click on something. Like I said, right here. See, pretty much got them all lined up. Really easy to set up. Like I said, definitely grab a couple. You never know. But until next video, guys, be safe. Happy New Year to everybody. Thank you guys for subscribing. And check them out. UGREEN on Amazon Prime. You guys have a good one. Be safe. See ya.